Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. As we get Wari every month, Sat Sangat Ji, today YTSA we are doing 6th Pauri of Asa Vivar. Here Guruji explains how people of different religions are trying to achieve God. Bin Satguru kine na payo, bin Satguru kine na paya. All people of different religions, they read scriptures, they do chanting, singing, dancing, torturing their bodies, bathing in holy waters, but all the efforts are futile. They go in vain, Guruji says. Ultimately, nobody is able to attain Satguru. So let's sing together and then we'll try to understand what Guruji means by this.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। दे दे मन कैसे सगुना सो करे संसार चोरा चारा ते कुरियारा खाना बावे कार एक होता खाए चलिए थाओ तिना बिकाए कार जल थजे पुरिया लो आकारा कार ओ जी आंखें सो तुए जाने मुसलमान की पेड़ पे कुनियार कर पाने किया जल्दी करे पुकार जल जल रोवे पपड़ी Satgur Kinena Payo repeated twice? I don't understand why it's repeated twice.
Well, first let's try to understand the word Satgur. Guruji says in the body, Bin Satgur Kine na payo, Bin Satgur Kine na paya. The word Satgur means universal wisdom, divine truth. It's same for all religions. It's not my Satgur or your Satgur. Those who tap into the wisdom, they become one with it. Like our gurus, like Buddha, Christ, all those Bhagats in Guru Granth Sahib Ji who could tap into the wisdom. And they came to a stage when they would say, Tohi mohi, mohi tohi, antar kaise.
I always understood Satgur to be a person, so there must be a reason it's repeated twice.
Well, we see sunlight everywhere, but if we close our curtains, will it reach our room? No. Like a blind man, the light is everywhere, but still a blind man cannot see anything. The same way, we are housewives, we prepare food at home, we clean the vegetables, we wash them properly, and we clean the table, everything, and then we sit to have food, and we find our hands are dirty. Will that food benefit us? We cannot have that dirty food then, because our hands are dirty, so food won't help. Same way, Guru Granth Sahib Ji has the treasure of wisdom. It has all the wisdom for all the things, but are we able to balance ourselves? Are we able to take the teachings, what Guruji is saying? We just read, we are just hearing it, we just reading, we are not able to follow. Our mind is full of vices and dirt. We are just hearing the things. To see God within us and in everyone, the way Guruji says, Ek Omkar, all the Mool Mantra qualities, we have to follow what is written in Guru Granth Sahib Ji. That's the wisdom. So this is Guruji emphasized. The outer Satgur is the wisdom that we have. That is Kine Satgur, Kine na payo. That is needed. And the second Satgur is the inner wisdom. When we are ignited from inside, we are lighted, there are no dirt of vices in our mind. All virtues will automatically radiate. That is the time. In Japji Sahib also Guruji says, Sunaya, Manaya, Man Kita Pao, Antargat, Tirath Malla. That is the way we get ignited from inside.
Then how to live the inner Satgur?
Well, that's a beautiful question. Just to have the curiosity, Guruji says in Gurbani, Mohi lagti tala beli. In the body also Guruji says, it's Uttam Vichar. Uttam eh vichar hai, jin sache syon chit laya. Sache syon chit lag gaya, moh hankar di pand utar jayegi. And we'll be able to balance our life. Okay, Kirti, tell me, since you're a photographer, what do you use to balance your camera and to get the best pictures?
I use a tripod.
You use a tripod. Same way, Guruji has given us 3 golden principles to balance our life. I think you must be knowing the 3 golden principles.
Yes, been hearing it from childhood. Nam Simran, Kirat Karni, and Pan Chapna. I try to do it, but my mind does become imbalanced sometimes. I don't see how it ignites inner Satgur.
Well, I think because we are doing all these things just like rituals. Our mind is doing something else. We are reading, but the mind is scattered all around. We are not focused. Let's see these principles practically, how to balance our life using these. First, Nam Simran. Nam Simran, let's take in 3 levels. First level is at the level of body consciousness. It's very important to remind ourselves, remind our mind to take care of our body. So here Simran will be taking care of our body, having healthy food, exercising, getting enough sleep. This is also a Simran that will help us. Secondly, at body level, ब्रह्म ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਆਲਸੋ ਇਹ ਘੋੜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਰੱਬ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤੀ ਲਈ ਮਦਦ ਕਰੇਗੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਜਗਜੀਵਨ ਦਾਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਾਪ ਇਹੀ ਘੋੜੀ ਕਰਾਏਗੀ ਸੋ ਸਾਡਾ ਫਰਜ਼ ਬਣਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਬੋਡੀ ਦਾ ਆਪ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖੀਏ ਸੈਕੰਡਲੀ ਨਾਮ ਸਿਮਰਨ at the level of mind consciousness is to remind our mind to be aware of the present moment, to focus our mind in whatever we are doing. We should put 100% in whatever we are doing. And we have to save it from vices. ਅਸੀਂ ਮਨ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਕਹੀਏ ਮਨ ਤੂੰ ਜੋਤ ਸਰੂਪ ਹੈ ਆਪਣਾ ਮੂਲ ਪਛਾਣ ਮਨ ਰੇ ਕਹਾਂ ਪਇਓ ਤੇ ਬੋਰਾ ਇਹ ਨਿਸ ਔਦ ਕਟੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣੇ ਪਇਓ ਲੋਕ ਸੰਘੋਰਾ अपने मन को बार-बार याद कराना है कि मन तू इन्हां काम क्रोध लोभ मोह अहंकार इन्हां चीज़ों तो उत्ते उठ और ऐ ताई हो सकता है जब असी गुरबाणी नाल जुड़ीए thirdly नाम सिमरन at the third level of soul consciousness that is remind the mind to surrender all its intellect जब असी बाणी पढ़दे हां ते why ifs don't they should not come अपना पूरी तरह सरैंडर करिए महाभारत ਵਿੱਚ द्रौपदी ने जब हाथ खड़े कर ਦਿੱਤੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਜੀ ਇੱਕਦਮ ਉਹਦੀ ਮਦਦ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆ ਗਏ ਬਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਵੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੱਥ ਵੀ ਟਾਈਟ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸੋ ਯੂ go with guru's hukam be thankful be grateful to God ਅਸੀਂ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਵੇਲੇ ਦਾ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰੀਏ ਉੱਠੀਏ ਤੇ ਬਸ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇੰਨੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਕਿ ਉਹਦਾ ਭਾਵ ਲਈਏ ਉਹਦੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਲਈਏ This is Naam Simran at the level of soul consciousness.
I thought Simran was only sitting and doing Vaheguru, but reminding the mind is equally important to help me balance my life.
Yes. It's not just doing Amrit Vela Simran, but following that Simran the whole day round, keeping the awareness all the time. Same way, Guruji says, दूजा जो प्रिंसिपल है इट्स किरत करनी किरत इज ऑल्सो फिजिकल अपना दसवन देना पैसों का लोगों की मदद करनी बट गुरु जी सेज तू किरत कर गुणा दी बन जा रहा तू गुणा दी किरत कर अपने अंदर गुण ले आइए सत संतोख दया दीज वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप ऑन चेकिंग आवरसेल्व्स आर वी फॉल्टरिंग एनीवेयर किथे क्रोध तो नहीं आ रहा ऐ नहीं कि घर आके शब्द सुन के गए बाहर गए तो एकदम गुस्सा आ गया उत्थे सब कुछ छूट जाता है आई थिंक वी शुड बी कॉन्शियस एवरी टाइम सो गुरु जी कहते हैं किरत करो गुणा दी as we follow these principles we can balance our lives how about one chakna what do you think about it
I think one chakna is not just doing charity work, but also sharing what you're abundant of, like sharing your knowledge, be it your skills or be it your understandings. That's also one chakna.
Yes, that's perfect. As we follow these, we can balance our life. गृहस्थी च रह के भी ਅਸੀਂ spiritual ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਗ੍ਰਹਸਥੀ ਹੀ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਮੀਟਰ ਹੈ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੁਣ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਮੋਹ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੋਭ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੋ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਸੇਜ਼ we follow these three principles and we try to balance our lives all the mool mantra qualities we should get in sync nirbhav nirvair एक ओंकार ਅਸੀਂ हर जगह उस जोत ਨੂੰ देखिए अपने अंदर देखिए ਤੇ हर जगह बाहर भी देखिए हर इंसान ਵਿੱਚ देखिए this self realization leads to God realization and that's the way Guruji says inner Satgur inner realization ताई आएगी when we go for self realization first ਅਸੀਂ ਸਹਿਜ ਸੰਤੋਖ ਦੇ ਗੁਣ ਧਾਰਨ ਕਰੀਏ that's inner Satgur ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅਨੰਤ ਦੀ ਅਵਸਥਾ 'ਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਏਗਾ and Guruji ਫਿਰ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜਗ ਜੀਵਨ ਦਾਤਾ ਪਾਇਆ that is ਜਗ ਜੀਵਨ ਦਾਤਾ when we are balanced our life is balanced our mind is focused and all the movement of qualities we are in sync with that ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹ ਤੇਰਾ ਅਵਸਰ ਇਹ ਤੇਰੀ ਵਾਰ ਘਟ ਪੀਤਰ ਤੂੰ ਕਰ ਵਿਚਾਰ that's it ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ ਆਓ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਹੋਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੌੜੀ ਗਾਈਏ then we'll continue with Anand sir
सद्गुर की नैना पायो, बिन सद्गुर की नैना